Hello, Kurt Jackson, Retirement Income Strategist with KJ Financial here, with some questions that anyone in their 40s should be asked about the continuing and growing battle against income inequality, and could that hit you in retirement? You know, if you've paid any attention to all the news and the media, you're going to know that a recent hot topic is about income inequality. Why do you think all these people in the government are giving all these speeches on income inequality? Think about that for a moment. When you factor in all the taxes you pay everywhere, aren't we really paying close to about 50% of our income in taxes? Now, really, how much more could they raise taxes? If they raise rates more, won't that end up creating a socialist economy? And has there ever been a socialist economy on the planet that ever worked? So if they can't keep raising taxes more and more, won't they find other ways to transfer assets from those who have money to those who don't? Yeah. Even those in retirement. Or should I say, especially those in retirement. I'm telling you, if you think about it, doesn't the government have the most control over your money in retirement? I mean, think about that. Won't they eliminate methods like the inherited IRA, a step up in basis, itemized deductions for health care, itemized deductions for charity, itemized deductions for state taxes paid? How about itemized deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes? When that happens, isn't that an attempt by the government to equalize income and wealth? Do you want to let them easily transfer your money to someone else, or do you want to begin making planning decisions to keep your money in your estate? If it makes sense to you to keep more of your money in your estate, and you'd like to have a conversation about it, then maybe we should talk. Now, don't worry about our conversation. We give you our 5-star guarantee, and that means that we'll talk for no more than 30 minutes unless you want to. There's nothing for sale, so leave your money at home. And when you walk away from our conversation, you're going to understand your situation better, you're going to understand money better, you're going to understand your retirement better. So if you're ready to do that, you've got my direct line up there on the screen or my email. Give me a shout. Let's set up a time. We can even do this virtually, so you can be in your office or your home and over the phone and the computer, and we can do it all, so it makes easier to schedule and a lot less travel time. So give me a shout when you're ready to do that. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.